Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the PowerPoint's coolest and most creative features, the Draw tab. By the end of this video, you will know all the tips and tricks to make your presentations more engaging with these powerful drawing and inking tools. So let us get started. The Draw tab is designed for visual and interactive enhancement in PowerPoint. It allows you to add drawings, handwritten notes, and even annotations directly on your slides. It is super helpful when you want to highlight key points or explain ideas in a more dynamic way. To use the Draw tab, first make sure it is enabled. Go to the ribbon, click on Customize ribbon, and if Draw is not visible, check the next box to it. Once it is enabled, you will see three main sections: Tools, Ink, and Eraser. This gives us everything we need for freehand drawing, inking, and erasing. Let us start with the drawing tools. Here we have the pen, pencil, and the highlighter. Each tool offers different styles for drawing. The pen is perfect for smooth lines. The pencil gives a more natural sketch-like look, and the highlighter is great for emphasizing text or objects. You can also customize the colors and thickness of each tool to suit your needs. Use the pen, pencil, and highlighter. To see this in action, select a tool and start drawing your slide. The pen tool is great for clean, precise lines. If you want a looser, hand-drawn look, the pencil is your go-to. And when you need to make a word or shape stand out, the highlighter is the deal. Don't forget, you can easily change the colors or thickness by going to the options in the Draw tab. One of the best features in the Draw tab is the Ink to Shape tool. This tool lets you turn your freehand drawings into perfectly shaped objects. For example, if you draw a rough circle, PowerPoint will convert it into a smooth, perfect circle. You can also use the ink to text tool if you have handwritten something and want to convert it into a editable text. Now, let us talk about the eraser tool. Sometimes we make mistakes, and the Draw tab makes it easy to clean things up. PowerPoint offers different types of erasers, such as stroke eraser, point eraser, and segment eraser, that let you remove either entire strokes or specific points of them. This is are really handy for fine-tuning your annotations. Next up is into math. This feature is perfect for anyone who works with equations. You can write out a max expression by hand, and PowerPoint will convert it into a formatted math object. It is a great way to add mathematical symbols and equations without typing them out. The Draw tab shines on touchscreen devices like tablets, where you can use a stylus or even your finger for more natural drawing. But if you are on a regular desktop, don't worry. You can still use your mouse to access these tools, though it may not feel as smooth as a stylus. Here are a few tips to get the most out of the Draw tab. First, keep your drawings simple and relevant. Too many marks can clutter your slides. Second, choose colors that contrast well with your background for visibility. Finally, aim for consistency. Use the same colors and thickness throughout your presentation to maintain a clean look. To wrap things up, the Draw tab in PowerPoint offers a versatile way to enhance your presentation. Whether you are sketching ideas, highlighting key points, or even working with equations, it is a tool worth exploring. I hope you found this overview helpful, and I encourage you. This video is sponsored by Genreviews. Genreviews is an innovative online platform that offers in-depth reviews and analysis of various genres in literature, film, and music, allowing users to discover hidden gems and popular works while engaging with a vibrant community of fellow enthusiasts through thoughtful discussions, curated content, and personalized recommendations tailored to diverse tastes and preferences. You I have provided the link in the description. It is shown also here. So you can go ahead and check for whatever reviews you need in this website. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about the draw tab or ideas on how to use it in your presentations, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on getting the most of the PowerPoint. See you in the next video.